Listen, Tyson, listen. Today, we are going to talk about something called mom posture. It's a hunchback.
It's a hunchback.
My grandma had a hunchback.
Okay, I'm sorry. Be normal. Be natural.
I am. That's my...
No. Be natural. That's how she's normal.
That is crazy.
That's normally how you walk around.
No, I'm like that. I would say I'm like that.
No, that's how you walk around.
It's called mom posture.
Well, we have a solution.
He's ordered a solution for me.
Arm in.
Okay. And then you tighten it all the way.
But
like this is crazy looking, and if I put this underneath a sweater, I would look like a football player.
No, but it's, listen.
Okay, tell me
wait, see, before.
Excuse me.
Didn't see.
Okay. This is one thing you could do as a posture corrector.
But I feel taller now.
Dude, I don't know. These are a lot of exercises.
You seem like you're very opposed to standing up straight.
It is really, honestly, so uncomfortable.
But you look
for me.
taller when you do.
Well, sure. I look better, but I'm uncomfortable. It feels like so much effort. My lower back is killing me. But
you have to think about the future. You don't want to be.
I don't want to have a hunchback like my grandma.
You're allowing your stomach to be lazy when you have poor posture.
I just feel like eventually you just go like this all the way.
You don't want to shrink. We're just saying.
And your stomach looks flatter.
Yeah.
My stomach is really actually.
You have pronounced nipples.
And pronounced nipples. It's a lot of look. I mean, I'm like really. You need to like
stand
put
tall.
Band-Aids over those. If I'm really in a busy cleaning spree, my lower back goes totally numb. You know they use that long needle in your back. Sometimes it can cause nerve damage.
So you think that happened?
I do. I think when I get really serious about cleaning, my whole lower back goes numb. So what I try to do is when I'm cleaning up, I try to really use my butt so that I don't do this. I'm trying to. Good luck with your mom posture. Don't feel bad that you have it. It is normal that you have it. But let's do a good job together of reversing the hunch. Okay?
Reverse the hunch.
Reverse the hunch.